Hello, my name is Paul Grimes and I'm the Managing Director of GB Fleetcare. Yeah, so today we're at GB DAF DIRFT, which is our new and innovative DAF dealership. One of the focuses we are looking at is working on future technologies. We decided that we wanted to work with DAF on innovation and raising the DAF dealer network standard. So we have built a workshop that is ready for hydrogen and for battery technology. The site we're on today is a purpose-built 15,000 square foot workshop with 5 operational bays, a tachograph centre and soon to become an MOT ATF. We're currently operating with 6 operational technicians and the team is going to grow in excess of 25 over the next 2 years and we will become 24/7. Our aim is now to become DAF Dealer of the Year 2024 and that we're 100% committed to achieving.
My name is Jo Ramwell. I'm a Director of GB Fleetcare. We're here today at our new GB DAF workshop. This represents a significant achievement on our growth plan. We've invested over 3 million in this new site and I believe it presents a substantial commitment to the DAF brand.